Warren Buffett, if you are starting from $0 in 2024, do this to get rich, step by step. Hey there fellow investors and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube channel. Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals, didn't inherit wealth but instead built his fortune from the ground up. Today, we'll explore how you can follow a similar path in 2024. Buffett emphasizes the significance of early investments, revealing that he made his first investment at the age of 11, considering his life wasted before that point. Drawing inspiration from Buffett's journey, we'll guide you on the journey from having no money to accumulating wealth. If you have an interest in financial matters and acquiring a stake early on, gaining knowledge early is invaluable. Let's begin by discussing the crucial importance of starting early and learning as you progress towards financial success. Warren Buffett, renowned as one of the most accomplished investors in history, adhered to a particular principle: the more you learn, the more you earn. This maxim, far from being a mere catchphrase, stands as a fundamental truth in the financial realm. Buffett's journey in finance commenced during his early years, making his first stock purchase at the age of 11 and even filing a tax return at 13, listing his bicycle as a work-related expense. These initial strides laid the groundwork for his subsequent triumphs. Fast forward to 2024, and the dynamics of learning and investing have evolved. Nevertheless, the core principle remains unchanged. In today's digital era, a plethora of online courses, podcasts, and financial blogs offer a wealth of knowledge, often available for free or at a nominal cost. Take, for instance, a recent survey indicating that over 60% of successful investors in 2024 attribute their achievements to continual learning and staying abreast of market trends. Commencing early in the investment journey is crucial due to the significant role played by compound interest. The sooner one begins investing, the more time their money has to grow. Illustratively, if you initiate a monthly investment of just $100 at the age of 20, assuming an average annual return of 7%, you could amass over $200,000 by the time you reach 60. Delaying the commencement to age 30 would result in roughly half that amount. Buffett underscores the importance of learning from mistakes, whether they are your own or others. Every investor makes errors, but the key lies in learning from them and avoiding repetition. This learning process holds immense value. As Buffett aptly puts it, while it's good to learn from your mistakes, it's even better to learn from the mistakes of others. This principle is particularly relevant in 2024, given the increasing complexity of the financial world. New investment avenues like cryptocurrencies and NFTs are gaining prominence, and traditional markets are in a constant state of evolution. Keeping pace with these changes necessitates a commitment to continuous learning and adaptability. Transitioning to the next step in constructing wealth from scratch in 2024, let's delve into the practice of frugality and living below your means, a principle Warren Buffett not only advocates but also embodies. Despite his substantial wealth, Buffett is known for his modest lifestyle and has famously said, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need." In an era dominated by consumerism and influenced by social media, adopting a frugal approach becomes a potent tool for financial growth. Frugality, in this context, doesn't equate to living miserly, rather, it involves making intelligent financial decisions, prioritizing necessities, and eschewing unnecessary expenditures. Consider the average American spending on new cars, for instance. Cars, being depreciating assets, may lure individuals with their shiny new models. However, Buffett, for years, drove a modest car and only upgraded when absolutely necessary. Opting for a reliable, used car over a brand new one can result in substantial savings. Buffett, in fact, selected his car based on safety considerations, specifically the presence of airbags on both sides. This decision reflects a prudent approach to balancing safety and frugality in personal expenditures. Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of frugality and informed investing in building wealth from scratch in 2024. Buffett, reflecting on car safety, suggests that while heavier vehicles may be safer, personal preferences and comfort should also be considered. Frugality extends to housing choices, where prioritizing needs over luxury can enhance financial health. Everyday expenses, such as dining out, can be trimmed through cost-effective alternatives like home-cooked meals and canceling unused subscriptions. Buffett's philosophy of spending what is left after saving underscores the significance of disciplined saving over impulsive spending. In today's gig economy, diverse opportunities for earning exist beyond main jobs, emphasizing the value of hard work and earning every dollar. Discipline in saving is crucial in the face of heightened spending temptations. Automated tools and setting savings goals can aid in cultivating consistent saving habits. The journey to wealth from nothing in 2024 continues with the crucial step of smart investing, an area where Buffett has excelled. Understanding investment basics through education is vital, and starting with small amounts is recommended. Diversification across various assets mitigates risks and provides a safety net against market fluctuations. Buffett's own modest initial investments laid the foundation for his eventual success, highlighting the importance of beginning the investment journey with real experience. Successful investing in 2024 involves a strategic approach that considers diversification, a focus on long-term value, and risk management. Buffett's emphasis on long-term growth encourages investors to look beyond short-term market trends and speculative ventures. Understanding and aligning investments with your risk tolerance is crucial, especially as your investment strategy should evolve to become more conservative over time. Reinvesting dividends is highlighted as a powerful wealth accumulation tool, leveraging the benefits of compound interest. Staying attuned to changes in the global economy and technology is essential, with sustainable and green investments gaining prominence. Tax-efficient investing, such as utilizing Roth IRAs or 401ks, can significantly enhance investment growth by mitigating tax implications. In essence, smart investing in 2024 requires a combination of education, diversification, long-term planning, risk management, and staying informed about global trends. Following these principles can transform savings into a growing asset, mirroring Warren Buffett's successful approach. As we continue the journey to wealth from zero in 2024, the fifth step emphasizes the importance of reinvesting profits, a strategy integral to Buffett's remarkable success. Reinvesting profits involves using returns from investments to make further investments rather than immediate spending. This approach holds significant importance as it facilitates rapid growth of your money over an extended period. To illustrate, suppose you invest $1,000 and earn a 10% return, resulting in $1,100. By reinvesting that $100, you start earning returns on the new total of $1,100, not just on your initial $1,000. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to substantial growth in your investments. In 2024, with a plethora of investment options, reinvesting profits can manifest in various forms. It might involve reinvesting dividends from stocks or interest from bonds. Alternatively, it could entail using profits from one investment to fund another, diversifying your portfolio and spreading risk. A practical method for reinvesting profits is through a DRIP, or a dividend reinvestment plan, offered by many companies. These plans automatically reinvest your dividends into additional shares of the stock, often without incurring transaction fees. This streamlined approach ensures hassle-free compounding of your investment growth. Continual education and staying abreast of market trends are integral components of the reinvestment process. With increased experience and knowledge, you can make more informed decisions on where to reinvest your profits for optimal growth. Patience and discipline are also crucial aspects. Compound growth unfolds over time, and the true power of this strategy becomes evident in the long term. Resist the temptation to cash out profits prematurely by understanding and leveraging the power of compound interest, and maintain a patient and disciplined investment approach. You can greatly expedite your path to financial success by strategically reinvesting your profits. Now, the question arises, how will you formulate a plan to reinvest your earnings, and what measures can you adopt to guarantee the sustained growth of your investments over time? Commencing from scratch in 2024 might initially appear challenging, but Warren Buffett's journey exemplifies that building substantial wealth is entirely achievable with the right mindset and approach. Considering the steps outlined, which one will you prioritize in your pursuit of financial success? Feel free to share your strategy in the comments below, as we collectively aim to inspire and support one another in reaching remarkable financial heights. Sharing insights and strategies can foster a community of encouragement and motivation as we navigate our individual journeys toward financial prosperity. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Happy investing!